Welcome back to the channel. Once again, I'll be day trading futures. Today is Thursday, September 11th, 2025. It's currently 8:25 a.m. and the market will be opening in about 5 minutes or less. So time to wait and see if we get any of my setups. If you watched the video from yesterday, you saw I had 3 trades, 2 winners, 1 loser, for a total of $330 in profits. And I'm just trading this one Apex evaluation account, $50,000. Currently it's up to $51,730. So I'm just waiting for flag patterns, reversal patterns, and momentum continuation trades. So just gotta wait and see what the market gives me today. CPI came out today, and let's see how the market reacts to it.
You're losing. It means you cut your losses fast and let your winners ride. And tell me, isn't that the hardest thing to do in the world? To admit you're wrong quickly. Once you grasp that, you'll understand the edge that matters. Don't you see that no chart, no tip, no newsflash can protect you from your own impulses? I remember countless times when the tape told me plainly what to do, but my own mind wanted something else. And every time I listened to myself instead of the tape, I paid for it. The lesson was costly, but it stuck. Never argue with the facts.
Alright, I just took a loss. I went long because I saw some momentum forming on the 5 minute. The 15 minute was looking strong. I got in a little too early. It pulled back, stopped me out. So now I'm 438 in the red on the day. That's not good, but let's see what else we can get today. See if we can get some really nice setups. Alright, we're going to try to catch 10 points to the upside right here. Maybe we can continue up out of this little range we've been in.
Because the market has a cruel way of teaching you lessons until you learn them.
Thinking maybe we can get up here to yesterday's high.
The market doesn't care how much you know. It doesn't care about your college degree, or how many books you've read, or what systems you've memorized. It will strip all of that away and put you face to face.
Alright, stopped out for just a tiny little gain.
It feels like to watch a price.
The 5 wasn't looking too promising, so now we just gotta wait and see if price can hold above this range. Maybe get something like this, and then push up. If we can stay out of this range, then I think we will go up here to yesterday's high. Alright, I'm gonna try this reversal. Try this short back down a little bit. The 5 was looking weak. Let's see, I just need a little bit more to the downside. Come on. There we go. We got a nice quick spike down there. Hit my target. So now I have 1 winning trade, 1 losing trade, and then that 1 that was basically like a break even. So I'm down 200 on the day. You know, it'd be better to be up 200, but 200 in the red is way better than 400 in the red. Alright, let's see if we can get this 10-point short here. It looks like we flattened out up here at the previous day's high. So that kind of tells me we need a pullback before we can go higher. So I'm just going to aim for 10 points here. That should get me back maybe around break even on the day. I'm going to add. I went ahead and added another contract because I think we are going to get that 10-point drop at least. Maybe we'll probably drop back down to this range, but I'm just going for the 10 points. That was a pretty strong bearish candle on the 5. So let's see if we can get that drop. There we go, big push down. So that put me 149 up in profits on the day. So that's nice for a day where price action was not good for my style of trading, at least. For me to end up with $149 in profits, trading one 50K Apex account, I'm not going to complain about that. Alright, so once again, thanks for checking out my video. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I'm just calling it a day. You know, I was down in the red a few hundred earlier, and you know, I worked my way back out. I got 149 in the green. It looks like it's going to be a choppy day, possibly. You know, we could be falling right back into this 15-minute opening range, bouncing around the rest of the day. And I would rather just not trade that. The 4-hour looks like it could be kind of getting stuck in a range for the next couple of trading days. We have I'm pretty sure we're having some important news, FOMC stuff maybe next week. So tomorrow we have consumer sentiment and inflation expectations. So the market's probably just kind of waiting around on that. So maybe tomorrow we could see some big moves to the upside, hopefully. And the markets could just be kind of chilling until next week with FOMC. So I'm walking away with my little bit of profits, and I'll be back tomorrow just waiting for the same setups, see what happens. So if you got any questions, just comment below, and stay up to date with all my crypto videos that I do every couple of days or so. The alt season is officially kicking off very soon, so make sure you stay tuned for that. And until the next video, peace out.